If you're seeing this November 10, 2025, maybe it's time you start learning about crypto. How many cryptocurrencies are there? More than 1,000, maybe 10, 20,000. But you don't need to know them all. You just need to know kung ano yung dapat pasukin if you're planning it as a financial tool of sorts. Start checking it on websites such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to check the top 10, but rather stay on the top 5 for now. Who created Bitcoin and when was it launched? Bitcoin is considered as the mother of cryptocurrencies. It was launched back in 2009, that's 16 years ago, under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Hindi niya totoong pangalan. And he's not the owner. And he made it open source so anyone can mine Bitcoin as long as they run it in the network. How would you explain Bitcoin and blockchain to someone who is hearing about them for the first time? So Bitcoin is a digital asset that can be transferred among participants in the Bitcoin network. But right now, it also appears in several blockchains. But to sum it up, it's digital gold. Yung gold na normal, mabigat. Pero if you carry Bitcoin, it's digital. You can sell it on exchanges and you can hold it on your cold and hot wallets. Bitcoin is also a ledger of transaction, the Bitcoin network. So you cannot duplicate Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin mining? It's the way Bitcoin is gathered for the past 16 years. It only has 20 million in supply and it's already spread out. But it hasn't been mined yet. It will end sometime 100 or 200 years from now. What is the main difference between Bitcoin and NFTs? NFTs are tokens in the blockchain. A proof of ownership, meaning nasa digital space siya, nagsisignify lang yung details ng transaction na to or ng token na ito yung owner, ito yung time na nabuo siya, pinasa siya dito. Lahat ng transactions with regards to that item in the digital space, nakalagay doon since the beginning. And of course, for Bitcoin naman, it's more of a currency siya ginagamit. It can be exchanged for dollars or any other form that is within the swap feature. So maybe that's it for now. If you have more questions, type it down below. My name is Prof. Tof. I share daily learnings about crypto for free. See you on our next video.